Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic Darapur, Tagpadariapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I'm going to discuss with you difficult to recreate VRML codes using Vivati Studio. So up till now we have seen many videos or tutorials which actually tells you how to create uh, VRML code without having any programming knowledge. But certain codes are such that you cannot recreate them, or they are very difficult to recreate. So we will see what are those codes and what are the reasons why we can't create these codes using the Vivati Studio. So following type of codes are difficult to recreate using VRML. The VRML codes produced by the export option available in 3D Max Studio, Maya, Blender, Unity 3D and MATLAB. Now, VRML codes can be produced by many softwares, many animation softwares like say 3D Max Studio, Maya, Blender, Unity 3D, MATLAB. And they might be creating some syntax which may not be able to adopt the coding technique of Vivite Studio. In that case, it will be very difficult to import that code into Vivite Studio, and Vivite Studio may hang in such cases. So these codes cannot be reproduced. Of course, this is not applicable for all the codes. Certain codes which are very simple, they can be very easily reproduced. Then the codes created by manual coding, because previously in the past when the coding started in the year 1996-97, people were using Notepad or VRML pad. So codes created by using these type of techniques may not be suitable to get imported into Vivati Studio, and you may find difficulty in recreating such type of VRML codes. The codes which gives error message during importing to Vivati Studio may not be able to recreate. Codes which cause Vivati Studio to become non-responsive on importing, these type of codes also cannot be recreated. Sometimes encrypted codes may be there. Encrypted codes have malicious scripts inserted into the code, actual code, and they cannot be imported properly to Vivati Studio. Codes generated using XSLT processor. I don't know what is this, but I have seen many codes which were generated using this type of processor, and they cannot be recreated very easily using the Vivati Studio. Codes using very complex logic and created by eminent authors or programmers having a very deep knowledge of VRML coding. So it is very difficult to recreate that logic because they are using some very complex logic which we are unable to understand, and we are unable to analyze that logic, and it is very difficult to recreate because recreating code may take some certain days, and then also you may not be able to get success, and sometimes you may not be able to find out the error because debugging is not available in Vivati Studio. So such type of codes cannot be recreated. So VRML codes are difficult to recreate using Vivati Studio are available in the download link. I have given the download link in the description section of this video. You can download those code which I found that it is very difficult to recreate, or they cannot be recreated. It is given in the description. Now we will take a quick preview of those codes. Now this is a jigsaw actually code created by some eminent author, and I was not able to recreate this type of code. This is very good code actually. Probably extensible X3D codes can be created, but VRML coding may be difficult. I don't know the reason, but I was not able to recreate this type of code. This was a very good type of code. Now the problem with these type of codes is that they are using lot of prototypes, and when they are using lot of prototypes, they are very difficult to understand for a common person. Then this was also a difficult type of code. It was using lot of prototypes, and it was very difficult to recreate. I was not able to recreate this type of code. Recreation was highly impossible. Then this was another Rubik cube was another code which was very difficult to recreate. I was not able to recreate this type of code. Recreating using Vivette Studio without having the knowledge of much knowledge of programming. So this is very challenging code to be recreated using Vivette Studio. So a lot of programming knowledge is required. Then this is a robotic arm, and this was also it was very difficult to recreate. Robotic manipulator, we can say, and it was very difficult to recreate. I found that it cannot be recreated using the Vivette Studio. This is a very challenging type of code for recreation. It was much challenging type of code which I was not able to recreate. So a lot of cylinder sensors are there, a lot of references may be there, but recreation was difficult actually. So this was the robotic arm, and this was a single Rubik's VRML cube. This was also challenging actually. It all depends on how deep knowledge you are having. If you are having a very deep knowledge of VRML programming, then probably you may able to recreate. But I found that this was very difficult to recreate. Then this was another simple type of code which shows you whether there is a breeze or there is a calm or gale. And this was also it was very difficult to recreate. Means logic is very simple, but complexity of code is very difficult to recreate. Of course, this code can be very easily imported into Vivite Studio. We can save the Vivite Studio file. You can see the coding also, but recreation is somewhat difficult. So these are the codes. Of course, there are a lot of other codes also, but I found that these are very challenging. If I've come across many other codes, I will definitely create such type of video, and I will post the challenge for the students and faculties. And thanks for watching the video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details. And the the challenging codes are available on the link given in the description, and you can check comments for more links on Vivite Studio tutorials. Thank you.